1, 2, 3, and now on this fourth one, come down under, go under, and then come up into your corkscrew and go down 1 and 2, and you can keep turning, yeah, 3, and then on your fourth one, come down and under, and turn, and down and up, down and up, down and up. Now on this one, here we go, lift your right leg, then your left leg as you turn, and corkscrew, down, up, down, up, down, up, under the leg, right leg, lift, left leg, turn, and down, up, down, up, down, up, lift your right leg, then your left leg, come around, and regular corkscrew, down, and up, down, and up, down, and up, lift your right leg, then your left leg, down. In my experience with the corkscrew, the trick for me, so in general, like if you just do circles at your side, and you're trying to focus on the same time, for me, I focus on the bottom of the turn, down, 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 down. I think of the equivalent in the corkscrew as being, so if you just do circles in front of you, I think of it as being the point nearest me. So here, if you look from the side, here, 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 here. So one thing that you could do as a drill for yourself is practice what I was just doing, which is you're separating your hands so they're not like they could tangle, but you know, you're not this far apart, and you're trying to do these circles and get them to be even in front of you. And then focus on in toward you, because that's the point where, at the point where it's coming around and in from as you look down at it, from the 5 o'clock to the 6 o'clock point, or 3 o'clock to the 6 o'clock, that's where you first lift your right leg. So that's where you really want it to be precise. I mean, you can practice even just doing this together time corkscrew and trying to sync it up better. One thing that helps me is imagining that I'm holding a very long pencil or like one of those extra long straws and using it as a steering wheel, and my hands are always staying in the same relative place with the stick in between them, right? So as I'm going up and down, they're staying that distance apart in that orientation to help me keep it